Hello everyone, Teacher Damien here, back at it again at the Creative Edu Academy. And today, right in front of me here, we have the Kids Box, Level 4, Unit 1 of this level. And what this unit is about is that it focuses on back to school. This is primarily focused on students at the Level 4 level. And this will be a bit challenging compared to the previous levels. So let's take a look here. Level 1, back to school. Number 1, look, think, and answer. Where are the children, eh? Where do you think the children may be? Where are they at right now? If you take a look inside this box, you will see that they are at this is school and they are in their own classes. Let's take a look and see what class are these guys in. So we first have Simon and Alex. They're doing pottery, or they're making bowls. They're shaping bowls. So they are in the art class. So that's Simon and Alex in their art class making bowls. They have to be careful. They have to be extremely careful. Oops. What happened here? Never mind. I'll just click that again. Okay, so they have to be careful and slow. But here, Simon, it feels difficult for him. I think it's because he's going pretty quick. On to the next one. We have Stella and Lenny, both in their math class at school. And Stella seems to be enjoying it. Lenny, however, is probably struggling to understand. So who likes math, everybody? It's Stella. Raise your hand up if you like math too. Moving on to the last picture, which is Meera. What's Meera doing? She's playing basketball, which is sports class, which is physical education, PE. So they're having fun in their sports class. She is very quick and it is very exciting. But we can see here, one of them seems to not enjoy the class. And it is the girl here. So she finds it boring. So now let's move on to the next question. Let's hear and listen to what the audio has to offer. So now, let me just erase that. Let's move down here and hear it out.
Pupils Book, page 10. 2. Listen and check.
Simon and Alex are in their art class. They're making bowls and they can't stop. They're busy.
Oh, my bowl's terrible.
Alex is careful and slow. His bowl's good. Stella and Lenny are in their maths lesson. Stella's very happy because she loves maths and thinks it's easy. Lenny doesn't think maths is easy. He thinks it's difficult.
Oh, I can't do this maths problem.
It's difficult.
Come on, Lenny. You can do it. It's easy.
Oh,
It's 73-72. What an exciting game. Meera's got the ball and she's running with it. Meera's quick. The boy's slow.
This is really boring. I don't like basketball.
So that is the audio for the pictures. So we have it. Simon and Alex in their art class, Stella and Lenny in the math class, and Meera in her sports class. Now, let's take a look to what we have here. Let's listen, let's check this out.
It's 73-72. What an exciting game.
Which one?
Meera's got the ball and she's running with it.
Which one is this one, everybody? Where does this one go if we were to match the audio to the pictures? Of course, it's this one. Now moving on, what about this?
Simon and Alex are in their art class. They're making bowls and they can't stop. They're busy.
Simon and Alex. It's this one, right, everyone? And the last one?
Stella and Lenny are in their maths lesson. Stella's very happy because she loves maths and thinks it's easy. Lenny doesn't think maths is easy. He thinks it's difficult.
oh, I can't do this maths problem. It's difficult.
Come on, Lenny. You can do it. It's easy.
Oh,
So Stella and Lenny both in their math class. Stella enjoys math, but Lenny, he despises it. Moving on, let's go down, take a look at these pictures right here. And let's listen to the audio and see. So we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pictures. And we have to match each and every one of these to the audio. So starting with the first audio.
Be careful with those glasses, Sally.
I am being careful.
Which one of these indicates somebody holding glasses? It's this one. Alright,
What was the film like?
number 2.
It was really boring.
Who here is watching a film?
What was the film like?
It was really boring.
It's this one. He's sleeping because he found the film to be boring. What about number 3?
What's 397 and 79?
Oh, I don't know. That's difficult.
That's this one for sure.
What was the football match like?
Moving on to the next one.
It was really exciting.
What was the football match like?
It was really exciting.
The football match was very exciting, and only one here is indicating somebody watching a football game. And as you can see here, it says goal here. So it's that one for sure. Moving on to number 5.
Come on, Mary, don't be so slow.
I'm not slow.
What did he say?
Come on, Mary, don't be so slow.
I'm not slow.
Come on, Mary. Mary has to be quick. And we can see here that somebody is saying come on to the girl in the picture. So it's this one. Moving on.
What's 2 and 2?
That's easy. It's 4.
This one is easy. 2 and 2 is 4.
Can I talk to you?
No, sorry, I'm busy.
Who is the busy one? It's this one. She's in her office.
Can I talk to you?
Moving on to number 8.
The weather's terrible.
Aha.
Oh no! Look at our food.
Which one of these indicates terrible weather? It's the last one. So it's this one. And last but not least.
The bus is coming. Be quick.
And this one goes over here. Let's check our answers. Well done, everyone. We're correct. So now, that's all for today's video and lesson. I hope to catch you all in the next unit and the next part of our Creative Edu Academy series. See you next time.